In this day and age, the purpose of the modern family home is not just about providing creature comforts for the growing family. It needs to provide versatility, whether that's the perfect work from home environment, and also the option for business ventures is going to be a really desirable asset. We're here on the edge of Gonalston to introduce to you Cliff Mill Farmhouse, which is an exceptional 5-bedroom detached family home providing turnkey accommodation, having been completely renovated by the current owners. As you can see from the house, this is a home that provides first-class family accommodation. Outside, you've got contemporary enclosed gardens. We also have an excellent range of traditional outbuildings that have been converted to provide superb ancillary accommodation with 4 separate self-contained rooms, currently run as a luxury boutique bed and breakfast. This is Cliff Mill Farmhouse, an exceptional family home with plenty of space. And for those looking for multi-generational living or options for a business venture, then this property is ready to go.